Hello everyone, here I am with today's tutorial, and today we are going to draw the jersey of the player Messi. So starting with the standing line, and after this we are going to start with the drawing of the collar. So making a sleeping line, a slanting line on one side and the another slanting line on the other side. Now making one slanting line for the shoulder on one side and another one on the other side. After this we are going to make one slanting line on one side. Now making a sleeping line to make sure that we make the other sides same. Now adding a little slanting line at the bottom, another one on the other side, and then joining it again with a sleeping line which is bit curved when going on the side. Now making the sleeve, a slanting line, another smaller slanting line, and now again I am making the sleeping lines to the other side to make sure that I am making the slanting line of the other sleeves at the same point. So here we are done with the pencil drawing. Now after this, with the pencil only, I am going to make two sleeping lines and going to write the name of the player. So I am going to write it with the pencil first so that I don't end up doing any mistake when doing the outlines. I have added another two lines also to write the number there. So just writing the name in the block letters. Look at the lines carefully and you will be able to do it. It is not that difficult. And the pencil that I am using here is the Staedtler pencil. The link for these products are there in the video description. You can just go and check them there and order for yourself. So just writing the name of the player on the t-shirt. Once we are done making the basic drawing with the pencil, we are going to outline this with the pen. Now writing the number 10. So here we just look at the lines carefully. We are just making the slanting lines, sleeping lines, and carefully joining them together. Now writing the 0. So here we are with the name and the number of the player. After this we are adding more details on the jersey. Again a curved line and a slanting line towards the sleeves. Now we are making a circle in the center. So we are almost done with the basic drawing with the pencil. Now we'll start with the outline. Here I am using a Posca pen with the fine tip. So the link for the same is there in the video description. You can go and check it there. Just following the pencil lines that I have made. Adding few more details there. Now similarly doing the other side. So once we draw with the pencil, it becomes very easier and there are very less chances of doing the mistake. So it's always recommended that first you draw with the pencil, at least you draw the basic drawing with the pencil, and when you're confident you can add the more details with the pen later on. Just adding few more details there. The pattern on the jersey. Now just following the pencil lines and outlining the drawing. Now I am just doubling the bottom line. I I'm starting with the outline of the name. Just be careful with the font. We just don't have to outline on the pencil lines here. There are few patterns that have to be made. So you can just look at the lines carefully and follow them. We are just making the font around the pencil lines only that we have made. So if you look at the drawing carefully, I'm not following the pencil lines here as it is, just adding few slanting lines. Now again standing, sleeping, slanting, again a slanting line from this side, slanting on the edge, sleeping, slanting, again a slanting, standing, sleeping, slanting. So just look at the whole font in the form of lines, where you have to draw the standing line, where you have to draw the slanting line, and it will be very easy for you to make it as it is. So we are just following the pattern, standing, sleeping, little slanting line, standing, again a sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing, standing, slanting, sleeping. So here we are done with the name of Blair. Now following the same pattern for the number as well. So a standing line here, slanting, slanting, standing, again a sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing. So the drawing is all about the lines. Just follow the lines carefully and it will be very easy for you to do it. So we are almost done with the 10 number outline as well. Now after this we are just adding the lines which are there on Messi's jersey. So again, if you are not confident making it directly with the pen, you can make the lines with the pencil first and later on you can outline it with the pen like we have done for the rest of the drawing. But if you are confident enough, you can directly do it with the pen as well. That is completely up to you. Just be careful with the distance in between all the lines. So if you're trying this drawing for the first time, I would advise you to first make the lines with the pencil so that you have an option to do the correction in case if it goes wrong, and after that you can just outline with the pen lines. So we are almost done with the drawing. Now after this we'll start with the coloring. I hope you found the drawing very easy. Now after this I'll be just erasing the extra pencil lines, as those lines were only for my help. I don't need them in my final drawing. And once I'm done erasing the lines, I'm going to start with the coloring. The colors that I'm using here are the Stellar Luna pencil colors. The link for all the products that I have been using on my drawing for the coloring, for the drawing and for the outline, the link for all the products is there in the video description. You can just go and check them there and order for yourself. So in this set of color pencils we have a darker purple color which actually almost looks like a dark grey color. So I am doing it first, and above it I'll be doing the dark blue color just to get the same shade which is there on the jersey. I hope you're liking the video. Please let me know in the comment section about this video, and also you can let me know what you want me to upload next. And if you want to share your drawing with us, then you can mail us your drawing. The email ID is provided in the video description. You can just go and check out there. Please show your love by liking the video and subscribing to my channel for the daily drawing videos. And also turn on the bell icon to receive the regular notifications. If you don't turn it on, you'll miss the notification of the daily updates. So here we are almost done with the coloring part as well. Now lastly, the most important part, we are just filling up the name with the black pen. You can even do it with the pencil color if you want, but to get a more brighter look, I am doing it here with the black pen. So we just have to fill in the spaces, fill in the outlines of the letters that we made. The same I am going to do in the number 10 as well. I hope you found this video very easy with all the step-by-step guidelines. Do like and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. And also you can let me know in the comment section what you want me to draw next. Here we are done with the name and the number of the player. Just adding some gray tones near the lines. So I hope you like the video. Show your love to the channel. See you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.